And Jen, looking at that area we just saw from Florida, you know, that's the place that's going to get hit with storm surge, right?
Very big storm surge. In fact, some areas will see a storm surge of 10 to 15 feet, which is just devastating. That swallows an entire one-story building, possibly two-story building. And that's what we'll see with Milton. Not only that, 10 plus inches of rain across Florida, all the way through central Florida, even to the East Coast. And then we've got the threat of tornadoes as well. So this is going to be a very dynamic, powerful, and unfortunately devastating storm that will make its way across Florida coast to coast. Right now, Milton, about 190 miles southwest of Tampa, Florida. It is a Category 4 hurricane with 145-mile-an-hour winds, and it is expected to weaken as it approaches the coast, making landfall late this evening as a Category 3 hurricane with 125-mile-an-hour winds. Now, this is just one particular model I'm showing you, but it does have landfall very close to Tampa Bay, almost directly over Sarasota, Longboat Key, Anna Maria Island. You can see that heavy rain on the north side of the storm moving in. It's going to be just south of the eye where you get that highest storm surge. So places like Venice certainly could be devastated with a wall of 10 to 15 feet of water. The storms moves in overnight, then early Thursday morning at 6 a.m. The eye expected to be just south or southeast of Orlando, and then moving out right over the Melbourne area as it reemerges in the Atlantic. As it moves east, those outer bands will bring rain across coastal Georgia and coastal South Carolina. Could see some tropical storm force winds across southeast Georgia as well. Highest storm surge from Sarasota, Anna Maria, south all the way to Boca Grande. That's where we could see that 10 to 15 foot storm surge, 8 to 12 foot storm surge for the Tampa Bay area. So those numbers have come down a little bit for Tampa Bay now that we have a little more confidence that it looks like the eye will make landfall south of Tampa Bay, but certainly a lot could change, and just 10 miles one direction or the other could really make a very different outcome. Very heavy rain expected across the middle of the state here through central Florida into Melbourne, where we have a 70% chance of flash flooding. And because of that, we do have a hurricane warning in effect for almost the entire state of Florida, or at least the peninsula of Florida. Outside right now, looking at Florida, it has been raining pretty much the entire day. Here at home, no rain in the forecast. Highs in the upper 70s with lots of sunshine. It will be cool tonight with lows in the mid to upper 50s with even cooler weather on the way. In fact, we've got lows in the low 50s Friday and Saturday morning, so it will be chilly as you wake up Friday and Saturday before warming back up. Beautiful and sunny. That's the name of the game here for the next 7 days with minimal rain chances Tuesday of next week.
All right.